What's up YouTube, it's Mark here from NxTLvL Tech, and this is a huge video for me guys. It's a huge appreciation, a huge thank you to all of my subscribers, all the people who come to my channel, all the time and view my videos. It's also a huge appreciation and a huge thank you to all the different YouTubers that I've met along the way. So just a little bit about my YouTube experience. I've had this channel since 2009, didn't really know what to do with it, so I actually rebranded myself and I started putting out some streaming content, and the first streaming video that I put out was on Showbox. That was back in May, I believe, if we go back, so you can see here. Alright, so right here, 4 months ago, that one just hit 164,000 views, which to me is absolutely insane. So I started putting out more and more content as the community seemed to really appreciate what I was putting out. Started getting involved in Filelinked and other things like that, and you know what? I can't believe, I guess, welcoming I've gotten into the streaming community. It's been so crazy. So first off, I do want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has come out to watch my videos, to subscribe to my channel, to comment, to like, to be involved in kind of my journey that's been happening on YouTube over the past 4 months. It's been absolutely insane. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who comes out, all the time. The next part of this video, guys, I really want to do a huge thank you and shout out to kind of some of the YouTubers that I've met along the way. So this is not going to be in any particular order, and I am going to ask one little favor. As I go through their names, I'm going to show you their channels, and I want you guys to go over to their pages, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon, and if you can, find their latest video and let them know that I sent you guys. Alright, just showing a little bit of respect for the people in the community. This community only gets stronger if everybody works together, you know what I mean? The more people that we educate on streaming. Nobody knows everything. I don't know everything. There's a lot of people that I talk to, and a lot of live streams that I join, and I learn a lot too, right? So the more that we all learn together is the bigger and better that this community grows. All right, so the first person I'm gonna jump over and I'm gonna show you guys is Mr. On Demand. And you know what? I know in one of my previous video, guys, I mentioned I was racing somebody to 10,000 subscribers. Originally it wasn't On Demand, but he took me up on the offer, and I'll show you guys this video real quick. He put out a video today congratulating me on 10,000 subscribers, guys. To me, this is huge. This means so much to me to be appreciated in the community like this, and especially by somebody as nice as Mr. On Demand. I really appreciate the work that he does, the content that he puts out. If you've seen him on any live streams or you've had the opportunity to talk to him, he's just an awesome guy. So you know what, definitely go show Mr. On Demand some love. Alright guys, so the next person we're gonna look at, so before I move on, Mr. On Demand is real close to that 10,000 subscribers, so go over there and give him a little push, get him over that 10,000 mark so you can come and join me. Alright guys, next person I'm gonna show you guys is NxTLvL. So, NxTLvL, if you guys haven't heard of NxTLvL, you guys really need to go over there, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. He has been nothing but fantastic to me since I've come into the streaming community, with the Filelinked community. He's been welcoming me to help out with building certain groups, offering me to help mod certain groups. So, and he's even given me some good shout outs as well too. So I really appreciate how he tries to just help the community, not just grow his channel. His channel is fantastic. It's grown. He's actually at 300,000 subscribers. I believe he hit that today or yesterday, so you can see it here, 3,000 subscribers. I'm pretty sure he hit that today, so go over there, give him a congratulations, guys, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, and let him know I sent you. Alright, so the next guy that we're gonna go see here is K-Fire. K-Fire TV News. So this guy has been fantastic to me that I've met along the way, kind of a great guy that I've talked to, kind of to go over YouTube information. We kind of share stories back and forth, and he's always been really interested in my growth. So he's been a fantastic person that I've met along the way. So make sure you go over, you hit that subscribe button, and you hit that bell icon too. Alright guys, leave a comment in his latest video and let him know I sent you guys. Show him some love. The next person that we're looking at today is going to be Bo Knows. And if you know Bo Knows, then you'll know that you need that channel. So go over, hit that subscribe button, guys. Make sure you hit that bell icon. Bo is infamous at hosting live stream panels, interviewing all of the cord cutters, all of the streaming YouTubers. So if you really want to get some in-depth, personal information, some opportunities to ask any one of these YouTubers questions on a live stream, definitely go over to his channel, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and check out his videos. They're awesome. There's a lot of panels and a lot of live streams that I've personally joined, so I can highly recommend his channel. I do also want to let you guys know that on July 18th, Wednesday, I believe 7 o'clock his time, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, he's doing a live show. It's going to be absolutely off the chain. There's going to be at least 10 people on his panel. Some big names are coming out, so I believe New Tech's going to be on there. I think Review Door and a bunch of other people. So make sure you go over there and check out that channel and let him know that I sent you guys as well too. So Bo is a part of the DST team, also a part of the DST team that has been very welcoming to me and my journey on YouTube is SuperDell. If you guys don't know about SuperDell, he is fantastic to the community. His content that he puts out is absolutely awesome. A lot of these guys that I'm showing you guys should be a lot higher in subscriber count, so it only makes sense for us to recommend the people that we really appreciate in the community to each other. So make sure you go over and not only just hit the subscribe button and that bell icon, but check out his videos. There's a lot of great content in his videos. He puts a lot of time and effort into what he puts out in the community, and you know what, I appreciate it, and I know you guys will too. So definitely go over and show SuperDell some love. Let him know that I sent you guys. Next person I'm going to show you guys is, let's see here, Juggernaut. So the Juggernaut, and it might not come up if you put that, so you're gonna want to put channel. All right, this guy, he deserves a way more attention than what he's getting right now, believe me. He does live streams, he does build reviews, add-on tutorials. He also has his own build. Very knowledgeable guy. So he's just getting started on YouTube. Make sure you go over there, show him some love. Let's get him over that 1,000 subscriber mark, because he definitely deserves it, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, and you drop him a comment. Let him know that I sent you guys. All right, next person that we're gonna take a look at is Optimum Bliss. So I've met him through the groups that we've been on, and he's been really good to talk to. We've shared stories and ideas, and he's kind of walked me through certain things with navigating behind the scenes on YouTube. So big shout out to Optimum Bliss. He is at 12,000 subscribers. Let's get him to 15, guys. So if you guys can go in there, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, and let him know that I sent you guys. Show him some love and check out his videos. The next person that we're going to take a look at is Rojas Tutorials. Fantastic YouTuber. He had a live stream going on today, does a lot of live streams, and joins a lot of the panels as well too. He has a lot of great ideas and a lot of content that he puts out, and make sure you go over, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, and let them know that I sent you guys. Show them some love, guys. At 61,000 subscribers, and like I say with everybody, they deserve a lot more exposure in the community. The bigger that these channels grow is the more people that we can impact and help teach, and the more people that are knowledgeable within the community, it just creates more people to teach other people, right guys? So let's jump out. We're gonna take a look at the next person here, and the next one is gonna be number 10. It's going to be Electrical MD. Alright, so Electrical MD, he's very thorough in all of his videos. He's grown very quickly. He's almost at 270,000 subscribers. So make sure you go over there and you hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, and let him know that I sent you guys. One thing with his videos is that he does get a lot of exposure. Whatever he's doing it right. He's very thorough in his videos. He has given me some exposure as well too, giving me some shout outs. So make sure to show him some love, hit that subscribe button, that notification icon, and go over to his comments and let him know that I sent you guys. So again guys, this is really just a huge thank you video. I know I haven't been putting out a lot of content as I want to, and as much content as you guys deserve from me, so I'm gonna try to up that game a little bit for you guys, put out some fantastic content. But in the meantime guys, I really would appreciate you guys going to these 10 other YouTubers, checking out their channel, showing them some love, and letting them know that I sent you guys. So until the next video, this is Mark from NxTLvL Tech, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.